Ah! I know it's your first Sketty dinner, but you're not putting the bowl on your head. No, ma'am. Ah! Abby Jean Vincent. We take food out of the bowl. We love spaghetti, but we don't wear it. At least other than right here. Is that nummy? You're picking off the extra bits off your hand. Appreciate that. It'll make the bath later easier. I won't have floating sketty in the tub. No, ma'am. I see where you're going with it. That's a good girl. That's my good eater. Good job. No, ma'am. Bowl stays on tray. Oh, spaghettis. There you go.
You double fist in there, kid?
Absolutely. So, Daddy, I'd have Mommy feed me in between too.
No.
Tray. Ah!
No.
No. Devil girl. Abby Jean. No. No, you're not funny. No. No. No, ma'am. Eats. See, we do this. There you go.